They say a worker once got stranded in the middle of the desert and turned his broken-down car into a motorcycle to escape. But could it actually work? To test it, Adam and Jamie tracked down the same make and model from the story and drove it straight into the desert to recreate the myth. Step 1. Strip it bare. They ripped off all the outer panels. But once they hit the engine, the real challenge began. It weighed over 250 pounds, and with just basic tools, it wasn't going anywhere. In a real motorcycle, the engine needs to be centered for balance, but that wasn't an option. So Jamie pitched a wild workaround. He suggested that take 2 wheels, reposition them, one in the front, one in the back, and then press the engine's output shaft directly onto the back wheel. That way, when the engine spun, the wheel would turn, but in reverse, which meant the back of the car was now the front of the bike after conversion. Luckily, the car was a 1935 model. Simple frame, easy to work with. In just 2 hours, they had a fully converted Franken-bike. They reattached the steering wheel, jerry-rigged a throttle with steel wire, since the gear shift and brakes were on the same side as the engine. Jamie handled the steering. Adam sat in the back to shift gears and brake. On the first run, Jamie handled the steering while Adam managed the gear shift from the back. The engine roared to life, and the thing actually moved. But with all that weight stacked in the rear, it was extremely difficult to balance on 2 wheels. There was no way they could ride at 100 meters to safety. The myth was officially busted.